little about developments in Bihar vis-a-vis the controversial SIR. The Election Commission has completed the special intensive revision of Bihar's electoral rolls, has released the final voter list with significant changes. Amid Supreme Court scrutiny, 47 lakh names have been deleted in 90 days. The move is bound to spark political debates across the state. With polls a month away, questions loom large. How fair is the revision? And what impact will it have on Bihar's elections? Here's more.
The special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar is over. The Election Commission on Tuesday published the final voter list. The Bihar voter list had 7.89 crore voters on June 24 when the exercise started. The draft list released on August 1st had 7.24 crore voters after deletion of 65 lakh names. The final list on September 30 has 7.42 crore voters. Citizens can check the Election Commission website to know if their names are on the final list. Anyone left out can still apply up to 10 days before the last date for filing nominations for election. The opposition Mahagathbandhan has reacted with caution while the BJP has welcomed the SIR.
12,000 मतों का अंतर था एनडीए अलायंस और महागठबंधन के जो अलायंस था हम लोगों का, और उसमें कम से कम 10 सीटें ऐसी थीं जो हम लोग 1,000 से नीचे हारे थे। तो ये सब गड़बड़ियां तो हुई थी, उसको कोई डिनाई नहीं कर सकता। इसीलिए आशंका है कि पता नहीं इस बार क्या हुआ है।
इलेक्शन कमीशन ने अच्छा काम किया है। एसआईआर में उन्हीं के नाम डिलीट हुए हैं जिनका देहांत हुआ या जिन्होंने अपना नाम कटवा के दूसरी जगह नाम डाला, या कोई बांग्लादेशी हो तो उसका नाम डिलीट हुआ है।
Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi had undertaken a 15-day voter Adhikar Yatra in the state against alleged voter list fraud. The yatra was hailed by the Congress top brass at the CWC meeting held in Patna. But since the yatra, a lot has happened. For instance, Prime Minister Narendra Modi rolled out a 10,000 rupees direct cash transfer to 75 lakh women. Now, with the final voter list out and the pitch ready for the assembly elections, will the SIR remain as an election issue at all? With Maushami Singh and Aishwarya Paliwal, Bureau Report, India Today.